Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Roblox Studio and loading the exact place you plan to deploy. Make sure Team Create is enabled if collaborators will edit concurrently. This prevents overwrite conflicts. Check game settings, permissions, monetization, and versioning so you don't publish the wrong build. Once done, confirm all custom assets are uploaded to the cloud and not referenced locally. Otherwise, players will see missing textures or models when you publish. Now you publish. Choose File, right arrow, Publish to Roblox as, select the correct place or create a new one, and update the version note so you can roll back if needed. You must test thoroughly. Run play solo, start server/start player, and emulated devices to catch replication or mobile UI issues. Pay attention to the output and diagnostics panels to find script errors and heavy asset load times, because those are common causes of disconnects and long join times. To finish, set the access level, public, friends, or private, and update the thumbnail, description, and version notes so players see the correct info. Publish the final build, then immediately monitor using the in-game developer console and Roblox analytics to catch runtime errors or spikes. If something goes wrong, make sure to revert to a known good place version or disable the latest scripts. This isolates the issue fast, and you can fix errors without breaking player experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.